Hello and welcome to today's video. We're going to be talking about the cable kit with the nTrust 2.0 non-programmable thermostat and the grip strips. So you can discover a perfect blend of affordability, design flexibility, and ease of installation with this WarmlyYours cable kit. Pair this with the nTrust 2.0 thermostat, non-programmable thermostat. It's the ideal solution for adding radiant heating to any room in your home. And it has a circuit check that will help you have an installation that is problem-free. So what is included in the kit? Well, the first thing is the TempZone cable. It'll come inside of a box like this. It's an electric heating cable element that comes with the instructions. So the instructions are going to be in there. Please don't throw those away. Please read them. And inside the box, you will find the heating cable with the non-heating lead. So this product is available in 120 volt or 240 volt. And you can see this has a yellow sticker on it, which is going to tell you it's 120 volt. And it's installed in such a way that it gives you a nice even heat on your floor, and it allows you to install it at different widths or different spacing. So not only 120 and 240, but it comes in different sizes. The thing to remember is you can never cut the heating cable. You must use it all. So you have to purchase the correct size to fit into your space because you just can't lay it out and cut it. So it's very important that you know how many square feet you're going to be covering, because this will allow you to do from 10 square feet up to 288 square feet in 15 different sizes to fit your specific project. Now the cable is only 3/16 of an inch thick, so we take a look at it right here. You can see that the cable is not going to raise your floor height very much at all. 3/16. In fact, this will be buried in about 3/8 of an inch thick of thin set. So it really not going to add very much height to your system, to your flooring at all. Also on this non-heating lead, you can see where it transitions into the heating portion. And here we can see the black non-heating lead and the heating portion here. And this part right here is the factory splice where it goes from one to the other. And this will need to be put into thin set or self-leveling. So it's a twin conductor wire, and it also is going to come with an extra backup floor sensor, which is attached to the cold lead. So this cold lead is 15 feet long. This sensor is going to allow you to install 2 sensors in the floor, but only hook one up at a time. So that's going to help you regulate the floor temperature in your particular installation. So let's take a look at what else is here. This is our grip strip, and the grip strip comes in one foot portions, and it will allow you to do perfect cable spacing, either 3-inch, 4-inch, or 5-inch cable spacing. And that's going to give you uniform heating on your floor. If you put a bunch of cables really close together, it's going to get very hot in that spot. Or if you put a bunch of cables very, very far apart, it's going to be cool in that spot. So what you want to do is you want to use 3, 4, or 5-inch spacing uniformly all the way through your floor. And that's going to give you nice, even heat. So what you do is you install these on either side of the room and then run the cable back and forth between them. And these are designed to hold the cable in place, so when you put it around the loop, it'll help hold it still so it won't all just get loose on you again. So it's very easy to install. It has 3 holes in it that allows you to use nails or screws to hold them in place. And the good thing about these is that they are plastic. If you're looking for these floor heating kits online, one thing you want to do is you want to stay away from the floor heating kits that have the metal straps. The metal straps, if you don't use them correctly, can damage the cable. That's why you want this plastic type of installation grip strip. So that's what's so great about the grip strips. They're a very high quality product, and they're going to allow you to get good heating in your system. So let's take a look at our nTrust 2.0 non-programmable thermostat. Inside here is going to be another sensor. Since we were just talking about the backup sensor, let's take a look at what's inside this box. You get the thermostat. You also get the installation screws to hold it to the box, your installation box. and it comes with instructions and your floor sensor. This allows you to install both floor sensors, and that way you have the redundancy that you need. So one thing that people sometimes don't understand about this thermostat, and that is that it switches what is being fed to it. So the product we already looked at is 120 volts. That means that you need to supply this thermostat with 120 volts. You can't send 240 volts into it and expect 120 volts out. So that's why it's very important to put the heating product on the same side or the same voltage circuit. So that's going to give you reliable operation. This product also has a GFCI built into it. The GFCI built into it means that you don't need to install a GFCI circuit breaker. So this is a non-programmable thermostat. Non-programmable means you set it and forget it. So it has a very bright, easy to use touchscreen setup. Once you set it up and you set it to the temperature you want, it'll keep it at that temperature forever. Also, if you're buying just the thermostat on its own, just a fact, you can use this with older systems that didn't have sensors installed because it has kind of like a regulator mode to it that'll allow you to control floors that don't have sensors installed. So it comes with a great setup wizard. It has a 3-year limited warranty and lifetime technical assistance. So that's the nTrust 2.0. So let's look at our circuit check. The circuit check comes inside this box, and the circuit check is designed to alert you instantaneously if you've created a problem in your floor heating element. It will scream at you if you create a short. It'll also scream at you if you create an open circuit. So it'll tell you as soon as that happens, and that means that you need to stop what you just did and investigate what's going on with that cable. Now, this does provide real-time feedback. However, it's not a substitute for a digital ohm meter. You're going to need to get one of those, and those are available everywhere. But you definitely want to make sure you use this because it gives you peace of mind that you've done a good job of installing your product without damaging it at all. So not only does it come with all of this, these goodies here, but it also comes with instructions and wiring, so you know how to wire the product to the circuit. We suggest that an electrician does that for you, supplies you with the circuit and hooks it up to the electrical supply. So the cable kit includes 25-year no-nonsense warranty on the heating element. That means that if the heating element fails because it was produced incorrectly, there's a fault in it, that we will replace that cable. We will also pay to have the cable replaced, and we will also pay for any flooring that's installed over the cable. So that is your 25-year no-nonsense peace of mind against factory defects. There's a 3-year warranty on the thermostat. It comes with 24/7 tech support, and if you'd like to get a free design of how it's supposed to lay out on your floor, we'll be glad to do that for you too. So this comprehensive kit ensures a hassle-free installation, reliable, energy-efficient heating for your home. So that wraps it up for today. Thanks for joining us. We'll see you all next time.